So soft and juicy.
Welcome back to our channel King of Taste. Today we are going to show you how slow roast a duck. Please, if you like this video and want to see more this kind of videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos for more videos. So
yeah, we upload every week, so yeah, if you want, click on the notifications and you can get a notification every time we upload a video. This is a foolproof recipe, super easy. It does take a few hours, about 4 hours, but it's very minimal work, and yeah, it comes out good every time. So let's see what we need.
See.
So we have our duck here. It's best if you get a fresh duck, but if you can't, you can get a frozen duck and make sure it's really thawed before you start. A few onions and garlic to stuff the duck, and salt. That's all we need. So I'm going to start by turning on the oven to 150 Celsius, about 250 Fahrenheit. You don't want it very high because you want it to cook slowly, slow roasted. There we are. So your duck is probably stuffed with all the giblets, the neck and stuff, and got some big chunks of fat here. I'm just going to get rid of that. You don't need that. So yeah, there we have it. Did we get it all? Yeah. So I'm going to stuff the duck with the onions and the garlic, and it's just going to give it some flavor. I'm going to throw that out after it's cooked. So I'm going to close that up, and I'm just going to tie the feet together, help keep the insides closed. So you're going to want to score the outside of it, the breast of it, because it's full of fat underneath. You want to cut under the skin into the fat, but you don't want to cut the meat at all. So just like that. So I'm going to do the other side as well. Just score it. So you're going to want to add a lot of salt to the outside and rub it in. Helps release the fat and make the skin nice and crispy. You want to get both sides. So put it in a roasting pan if it fits. Yeah. So soft